To make high resolution images in Canva, first let's bring in our images. We will do that by coming into photo editor, and we want to upload your images from here. I will click on the upload. I'm going to select on this image and I'll click on create a design. Our image is opened in the editor, and from here you can use the upload tab to bring in more images into your design. But let's work on this one to make it in the highest resolution. I will come over to position since the image is selected. Let's go over to position, and I want to come to advanced here to look at the width and the height. I'm going to click on this drop down to create a blank new page. I'll click on more and click on custom design. Whatever is here, you want to multiply it by 2. So if you multiply this by 2, this will come to 494 width. And let's go to the height, and we'll double the size we are seeing here for the width and for the height. We can get our image in the highest resolution it can be. Once you have that, you're going to click on create new page. I'm going to click on this image and pull it into this page. I'm just going to right click on the image and set it as background. You see my image has been expanded properly because the size is still the same thing, and I will have a higher resolution with this image. To export this image, I'm going to click on share here and click on download, and I can also increase the pixels from here also. I'll click on this page and I will delete it, so I have only one page. And let's go back into share here, so we don't need to select which page you're downloading. And you see we've increased our pixel size, making the resolution far higher than what we expected. You see it here, the pixel size is higher, and we can click on download. This will give you your image in the highest resolution possible.